Build it. Make a structure with marshmallows. You'll need toothpicks and small marshmallows. Step 1. Make a triangle by poking 3 toothpicks into 3 marshmallows. Step 2. Use more toothpicks and marshmallows to connect more triangles. How big can you make your structure? Challenge. Make a square structure with sticks and marshmallows. Is it as strong as the triangle structure? How it works. Triangle shapes are very strong. They can hold lots of weight. Many bridges and buildings are made using triangle-shaped beams. Have fun!